Paying at a Tesla charging station is a straightforward process, primarily done through the Tesla mobile app or your Tesla vehicle's touchscreen display. Here's how to do it. Using the Tesla mobile app. Download and log in. If you haven't already, download the Tesla mobile app and log into your Tesla account. Add payment method. In the app, navigate to the charging section and add the preferred payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal account. Find a charging station. Use the app to locate a nearby Tesla supercharger or destination charger. Select a charger. Choose an available charger from the map within the app. Start charging. Once you're near the chosen charger, tap on it in the app and follow the prompts to initiate the charging session. Payment authorization. The app will request authorization to start charging. Approve the payment and your Tesla will begin charging. Monitor charging. You can monitor the charging process and cost within the app in real time. Using your Tesla vehicle's touchscreen, navigate to a charging station. Use your Tesla's navigation system to find the nearest supercharger or destination charger. Select a charger. Choose an available charger from the touchscreen display. Start charging. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the charging session. Your Tesla vehicle will automatically communicate with the charging station. Payment authorization. You will be prompted to authorize the payment on the touchscreen. Approve it to initiate charging. Monitor charging. Keep an eye on the charging progress and cost via the vehicle's display. Your chosen payment method will be billed for the electricity used during the charging session. Tesla will send you a detailed invoice or receipt after the transaction. Tesla's charging network is designed for ease of use, making it convenient for Tesla owners to charge their vehicles while on the road.